Every minute slipping by, even when I close my eyes, ruthless and